The animal kingdom is full of conflict, but humans have taken warfare to a whole new level. We are constantly developing new technologies to outsmart our enemies. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine is a prime example. This war is a stark reminder of the role technology plays in modern battles. From sophisticated drones to cyber warfare, the battleground is evolving at an unprecedented pace. The Russia-Ukraine war is not just a clash of ideologies, it's a testing ground for cutting-edge military hardware. Among the many innovations, first-person view, FPV drones have emerged as a game-changer. These drones are like nothing we've seen before. They are small, agile, and incredibly effective. Their impact on the battlefield is undeniable. FPV drones are exceptionally nimble. They can navigate through tight spaces, making them ideal for urban warfare. Their small size also makes them difficult to detect, giving them a tactical advantage. But their size is not their only strength. FPV drones offer a level of precision unmatched by traditional artillery. Imagine a hawk swooping down on its prey with pinpoint accuracy. That's the kind of precision we're talking about. These drones are equipped with high-definition cameras that relay live video feeds to the operator. This first-person perspective allows for incredibly accurate targeting, minimizing collateral damage. And the best part? They're incredibly cost-effective. Compared to the high price tag of fighter jets and missiles, FPV drones are remarkably affordable. The Ukrainian forces have deployed FPV drones with remarkable success. In one instance, a Ukrainian drone unit using only FPV drones managed to destroy a Russian tank column. The drones, armed with small explosives, were able to target the tank's weak points, disabling them one by one. This operation showcased the strategic advantage of using FPV drones in a surprise attack. In another case, Ukrainian forces used FPV drones to defend a key bridge from an advancing Russian convoy. The drones harassed the convoy, disrupting their advance and allowing Ukrainian reinforcements to reach the area. These examples highlight the versatility of FPV drones in both offensive and defensive operations. Section 4. The future of warfare, a paradigm shift. The rise of FPV drones has significant implications for the future of warfare. Their affordability and ease of use mean that even smaller nations can now field a potent aerial force. This could potentially level the playing field in asymmetrical warfare, where smaller forces confront larger, more technologically advanced adversaries. But the impact of FPV drones extends beyond the battlefield. Their ability to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and even carry out targeted strikes raises important ethical and legal questions. As this technology continues to evolve, it's crucial to establish clear guidelines for its use to prevent misuse and escalation of conflicts. Section 5. A new era of conflict adapting to the drone age. The emergence of FPV drones marks a new chapter in the evolution of warfare. We are entering an era where wars could be fought with swarms of these unmanned aerial vehicles. This shift presents both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, drone warfare could potentially reduce human casualties. On the other hand, it also risks making warfare more impersonal and easier to wage. As we navigate this uncharted territory, one thing is certain: the future of warfare will be shaped by our ability to adapt and innovate. The development and deployment of FPV drones are a testament to human ingenuity, but it's our responsibility to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically. The future of warfare is here, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.